Hello everyone, na si Ralph Dere. Niya nahugaw iyahang white na shirt nga puti pa jud kayo kay gibutang niya og mustard. Nya gisamutan pa jud. Awa sa gibuhat ka niya. Puti kanis tanan guys, bang giwaipan pa jud niya guys, gisamutan jud niya guys, as in guys. So, I know, hala, ikuha pa jud siya. Another tablespoon of mustard, bang gibutang pa jud sa puti kayong t-shirt guys. Sayang ra nida. Oh, gitrapuhan pa guys. Oh my gosh guys. Gitrapuhan gisamot. Sa man ko siya baso guys. Unsay sudan ning baso guys? Napay tapad zone rocks so wet webs guys. Bang! Kay baw na di ay ko guys. I have a mastermind plan inside my head, inside the gravitational earth of my brain. So, guys, ang gibutang din niya guys, water with zone rocks guys. Awa gud ni guys. Bright ta di jud ning Ralph guys. Oy, sheesh. Awa gud. So guys, kung mubutang di kag water ug zone rocks guys, kung i-mix nimo, mawala na ang stain sa mustard. Okay. Pero ang kaning nasa left side ni Ralph, mao ni ang concentration B. Mao ni mas daghan pa og zone rocks diri sa left side. Sa right side kay mas less. Unsa man ni ha, awa gud ni ang difference guys. Awa sa left side ni Ralph mas nawala ang mustard dayon sa right side na naa pa gamay. Ay both naman jud gamay pero sa left side slightly nawala lang. Unlike the right side guys. So yung ani ready ay ni guys. Sus baya jud ani guys.
Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through the safety procedures we followed during an experiment where we applied mustard to a t-shirt and then removed it using bleach. First, we prepared the t-shirt by applying mustard. We did this carefully to avoid any spills. When applying mustard, we were cautious to avoid any contact with our skin or eyes. Mustard can cause irritation, so it's important to handle it with care. Bleach is a powerful chemical. We handled it with care, ensuring it was stored in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat, as recommended by safety guidelines. When applying bleach, we were cautious to avoid mixing it with other chemicals, especially ammonia, as this can release toxic gases and potentially cause an explosion. We also ensured that there was good enough ventilation to prevent the accumulation of fumes. This is crucial when working with chemicals like bleach. After experiment, we cleaned the work area thoroughly. We disposed of the used materials following the lab's waste disposal guidelines. This includes separating hazardous waste from regular trash. By following the safety procedures, we ensured a safe and controlled environment for our experiment. Remember, safety is always the priority in any laboratory activity. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep learning.